Alright. Hi mga kapatid. Hey, this is my new vlog. We're going to unblock two laptops here in front of me. So the brand of this laptop is Dell. Okay. Um, we got the Mustro, this one over here, and we got the Dell Inspiron. Okay. So this is for Dai Dai, and this is for Koi Koi. Again, Dada and Koi Koi. Alright? So, what we're going to do is we are going to test all of the specs. Okay? The internet, the audio, the mouse, and everything. Okay? So, we're going to test these two laptops of how the internet speed will go work. Alright? So, hold on. Okay, so we're going to test this Bustro first. So right now we're connected to the internet. As you can see, we have Globe Home. It's connected. Good. So now we're going to test Google. We're open up Google now. Makikita talaga natin kung how the internet works. Okay. So kita nyo naman mga kapatid, it's now loading up. So we can see now Google. So we're trying to search my name, okay? Geoffrey. Kung gaano pa talaga ako ka-popular sa buong mundo. Wait lang. Sa ating name ni Geoffrey. Tingnan natin kung mag-appear ba siya, kung gaano ba siya kagwapo. Let's see. Hindi siya nag-appear. Kaya naman wala talaga. Malas. Ulitin natin. May sira tong laptop na to. See if this will appear. Now, you see my name displayed. Kikita nyo naman. Sample lang to ha. Ito nagpapatunay na this proves na the internet really works fast. Oh, magbe-verify pa tayo. Oy, sinong tong aso na to? Whose dog is this? Oh no. We'll split the dog. Then we're done. Okay. Let's do sign in na lang to make sure. This is the first time I'm gonna send. Let's move on to the next page. Let's do a speed test. Gaano ba talaga siya bilis, okay?
Oh yeah, speed test that one. Ito.
Ano yun na speed test? Wala, naglo-loading pa. It's normal, okay? We're doing a speed test of internet. So as you can see, we're not having a good internet speed yet, but maybe later at midnight we'll have the best signal. Alright, so now naman we were going to test the YouTube. We'll test the audio, okay? Let's see. Let's pick a clip. This is one of my favorite, Dragon Balls. Okay, it's working. Facebook. And also regarding the antivirus of this laptop, it's very good kasi it's built in and it won't expire. So not unlike if you install a antivirus, you're going to pay monthly, you're going to pay yearly, but this one, it's built in, so you get nothing to worry. Okay, so we're testing the mouse. You can see ang mouse is okay, wala nang problema. Look at the screen, it's moving talaga. So iti-test natin yung audio using headset. Ang bang headset ito? There we go. And we're going to listen to music. Kuha tayo sa YouTube. Alright, so we're going to test. And with my Pro headset, 10,000 bili ko nito. Yeah, just kidding. Free lang pala to. Nag-company. Alright, we're going to test now. Bilis ng internet natin ngayon. Okay. Baliktad pala to, baliktad. Kapuso, baliktad pala. Wow. Okay yung quality, the best. I can listen the audio very well. Walang problema. So okay na to. Tested na to mga kapuso. So, yep. So now we're going to move to the second laptop. Okay? Ito na. Pangalawang laptop natin, iti-test natin lahat ng specs niya, how it works. Okay? Tara! Ito na. There we go. So, sa pangalawang laptop na tayo, we're going to test first the mouse sa touchpad. So touchpad, walang problema naman. You can do right click, very easy. See, as you can see, very touchy talaga siya. Wala nang no need for you to press. And clickable siya. So we're going to test the notepad. You can see naman is test tayo the quick brown dog jump over the lazy rat. Oh, so mabilis. Pumunta tayo sa ibang page. Grabe talaga kabilis nito. Alright. So okay naman. With the mouse, as you can see, it's moving. Walang problema. So we're gonna close this out. So we're going to test the camera. Alam mo tayo, isa na. So see, kita natin. Oops, medyo naka night vision tayo. So far wala namang problema sa camera. Wala lang tayong lights. We're against the light lang. Okay? But so far so good. Sa atin. So now we will test the internet. Kung gaano talaga kabilis nito. You're using the password first. Tulad ng ginawa natin kanina, we're going to use like to search my name. Mabilis lang to. So i-display pa rin. Kailangan natin mag-sign in. ito lang, very simple. Ano ba to? Ano ba to? English siya. Here's lang testing natin. Ito, may mga ganito pa. Wala, basta okay na. Isa pa yung YouTube. So as you can see, mabilis yung internet natin, internet connection. So walang problema. You can easily browse naman. Ayan, it's showing na. So tetest natin kung magpi-play talaga ito. Gusto ko click. Hear it. Si Daddy. So far okay na. Check natin yung specs. Then so far okay naman siya pang schooling, wala tayong problema, no problem ito. Antivirus. Secure naman, so walang problema. So we're doing the testing of the camera. So far maganda naman. We don't have any problem sa camera. As you can see my ugly face. Okay naman. Kaya ganyan yung color is because we are against the light once again. But maganda ito. I have no complaint about the quality. So yung itetest lang natin is the charger. Kung ano yung charging time niya. So as you can see here, 69%. Dito naman sa kabila. Ano pa? Yung percentage ba nito? 52%. So kulang pa talaga. So babalikan natin to later. Ilang oras. So we charge the laptop at around 5:43. So see you and thank you for watching. So ayan, we test 2 laptops today. So we'll see you later kasi we will test pa the charger for each laptop kung ano talaga yung charging time niya, how many hours. So see you in my next video. So if you like the video, please like and share. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.